One of the things I love about James Hardie's warranty is it's a one-page warranty. There's not a lot of fine print in it. Assuming the siding has been installed correctly, which we are a James Hardie elite contractor. And that's what we do. So Hawthorne Home Exteriors is a James Hardie specialist. We do approximately 45 James Hardie projects per year. You can have that peace of mind with us that we are following the book exactly on how to install properly. James Hardie provides a 30-year non-prorated warranty that is also transferable one time. So let's say we do the work for you, you have the Hardie installed, 5 years later, you go to sell the home. It's probably worth noting to a potential buyer that there's another 25 years remaining 100% warranty on that home. Hardie also warranties their trim products as well as the color. So we talked about Color Plus technology. There is a warranty that comes with that, and that is a 15-year warranty you won't have excessive fading, blistering, chipping, cracking, peeling. That's what I've always liked about Hardie compared to other products is there's really not much fine print. The only things that would not be included in a James Hardie warranty would be acts of nature. So if you have a very intense hailstorm, tornado, something like that, then that wouldn't be covered. But otherwise, it's pretty much an all-inclusive warranty. Yeah, and with James Hardie siding, installation is kind of the key to everything, right? So anybody can go buy Hardie siding. So a homeowner doesn't have to hire a preferred or an elite James Hardie contractor in order to get the product on their house or even to have a warranty. So one thing that I think is funny, there's a lot of contractors out there that'll claim that they're Hardie certified. And so as someone who used to work directly for James Hardie for 6 years as a regional manager, I can tell you James Hardie doesn't certify anybody, but there's some trends that you look for in contractors where, are they a James Hardie specialist? Is that the focus of their business? How many projects are they doing per year? What do their Google reviews look like? Likely to recommend scores, things of that nature. So I think it's really important to choose a contractor that works with James Hardie regularly, because even contractors that do it, let's say they do 10, 12 James Hardie installs per year, sometimes there's a lot of little nuance details in the installation that they can miss or try to save a few dollars and skip a few steps that the homeowner may not notice. But these are things that are pretty important to be done properly. And down the road, if there is a warranty issue and it comes back that it was an improper installation that caused the failure, Hardie may not cover it. And then it's on you as a homeowner to work with the contractor, hope that they'll come back and take care of it. That's where we really try to make sure that we're kind of allergic to doing Hardie the wrong way. And so every home is installed to Hardie specifications so that you have that complete, full warranty, no questions asked.